how to grow and maintain your beard. This is one of our most popular articles and client requests to help with, and our barbers know the best tips and tricks from experience. A very important first step is to leave it alone and let it grow. But you need to make sure you take care of it during this process. Your neckline and your cheek lines are key to keeping a beard neat while it grows. Your neckline should start a finger's width above your Adam's apple. Trim out from this point to ensure a symmetrical result. Look for the natural cheek line and just trim the strays. Check the symmetry by using your fingers to trace the lines. The tip of your fingers should end at the same point on the face. Apply our game-changing beard moisturizer to soften the beard and moisturize the skin underneath. Apply through the beard upwards to hit the skin and downwards to hit the hair. This will reduce itchiness and skin sensitivity. Beard shampoo and conditioner will further keep the beard clean and well nourished. We want to make sure that we are looking after the skin underneath just as much as the hair on top. You can cover some essential trimming maintenance at home though. Using a comb your beard out directly from the root. And using scissors, you can trim rogue hairs and help keep the shape. When you have reached your desired length, it is all about regular trips to the barbers, as we can best assess the required amount of trimming and shaping. You also need to make sure that you are utilizing your beard care products at home to keep things tight in between trims.